Bagaimana? my god, oh my god. Sorry guys. Don't know why I had myself muted. So yeah, great stuff, you know, closure below, but there is a 15 rejection, so you've got to be careful there. This zone here is very, very choppy. So good stuff there, kind of identifying the zones. Take a look at GJ. News to GJ on the 30th of March, tentative. BUE quarterly bulletin, yep. A no trade range here, 81 pips, yeah, looking like it's pretty bad price action, right? Sell options following from a break and close below 162.957 for possible continuation. Bearish options being taken from confirmations, such as resistance being created on lower time frame to target previous lower time frame support, or higher time frame targets where price could possibly react. Beautiful stuff. Other options following from the previous break candle lows, expected volume to continue price further after solid closure below. Yeah, I think that looks good. Other options, so people are looking for buys above 163.776, okay, and then a further target 164.300. Amazing stuff. Yeah, I mean, looking good. You've marked out your zones, but you haven't really told me this one here. You haven't really told me where you want to take buys, where you want to take sells, okay? And a lot of new people are drawing them on the hourly time frames. Draw them on the 30. I'd say you draw them on the 30. I don't think I've seen one person draw on the 30 yet. They're all on hourlies. They're all on 30s. Clean traffic sells below. Clean traffic sells below. Yeah. So depending on how you get a closure there, I mean that is a 50 pip zone. But for me here, I can't really see anything here. I need to look at the 30. I think that's going to give you a bigger option, okay? Let's take a look there. But yeah, in terms of the 45 level, we've discussed these. Have to be a little bit more focused with where you want this zone. For me here, you need the body of these candles, so it'll be there. So be a little bit more accurate in where you actually want a closure, because if it closes there, it actually still hasn't closed below this previous res. So try and draw the lines accurately and thinner, I'd say. Yeah, for new people here. Great success. Yeah, gone through that. Yeah, already there. So yeah, we'll take a look at some more charts in a sec. Let me just do my own analysis. So let's take a look then. Let's get rid of GJ. First things first. What's the first thing that comes to mind? Well, we are ranging. Small candles, bad price action, no direction. So we're ranging, okay? So that is fine. That is fine. That's fine with me. Morning, family. Good morning. Good morning. What happened? You were muted, but chat was also not available. I have no idea. I have no idea what happened there. So yeah, looking at price action's a little bit shit right now. Okay, that's fine. What does this mean? Well, it means we have no direction, and the confidence of taking any trades right now is pretty low because there's nothing to be taken, right? When we take trades, we need volume, we need strong candles, all that good stuff. So the daily time frame is bullish. The 4-hour time frame, daily time frame is bearish. The previous one closed very, very bullish. Okay, the 4-hour time frame is also bearish. At the moment, looking like the last candle closed doji, looking like it maybe is respecting a support, which is quite nice. Take a look at the hourly, the 30-minute time frame. As we said, looking like a range. So first things first, you're looking at the 30 and go, right, well, this is support. Sells below could be nice from here to here. The only issue you have is there's 163 right there, and if you look at the 15, we faked it out pretty hard. So then you can maybe put your line on the 15-minute, okay? And now this zone from there to there gets pretty small. Yeah, only like 25 pips. So the zone's getting much smaller, okay? But depending on the stop and that, you could maybe take a little bit out of it, but it's not the biggest zone, right? I like having GJ bigger zones because you leave the rejection. Okay, where else? As I said here, 162 at 125. Okay, yeah, we moved quickly down. So, I mean, 162, 165. Where will we continue to? Well, we'll continue back down to 161 780. Can you see that I'm drawing them like accurately, like literally on the body? Like, so if I do get a closure below this line, and you know I'm ready to go, just make your lines maybe a little bit more focused. Put people in the chat. So yeah, we took a GJ trade in NY session, which was great. GJ buys here. Shot up, which was nice. You should do it like the pips we'd be making. Yeah, let's do this. So yeah, I mean, in terms of yesterday, yeah, it was good stuff. It didn't push for a while. I had to wait for quite a long time, but eventually did, which is not bad. Not bad at all. Good morning, boss. Zoomed out. You wanted Max. Oh, thank you, man, Connor. Could we make a zone on the 30-minute and treat the wick as a break-even point? I would, you know, I could see that if it gets the closure, but my only close concern is it's got a rejection wick there as well, and 163 psychological levels there. So I think it's too risky. We've already had 2 levels that it's rejected off there, and there's 163. So you'd have to wait for maybe a closure, a top wick, and then a flip, like a, you know. Also 4-hour level there, yeah, and also, you know, the daily closed bullish, right? It goes pretty hard, so buys would be probably easier. Max, you not think the sell is a bit choppy? Yes, that's why I've said I'm probably not going to take it. Sells below here though. I will. 162. One sec. I read the wrong one. 119. Because that's clean all the way down to 161 at 760, and that zone is, you know, 35 pips. Very nice. Okay, looking to the left hand side. What else do we have? So let's just put 163,626 is the current resistance. So right around there. Is there any chance for taking any buys? No. Don't think so. Actually, to be fair, every single time we close above here, we come to 164. So actually, the zone to there is pretty consistent in terms of it. And how big is this zone? Yeah, it's 38 pips, so it's fine, yeah. So potentially a closure above as well here. So today is rest day. I'm going to go straight to the spa after, and I'm going to vibe in the jacuzzi for a fucking hour and a half. Because I am aching. So yeah, that's what I'm going to look at over here. In terms of GJ. Very, very nice. So now what we do is wait for a closure. Goldie looking like we're making some bullish moves over here. The daily time frame closed bearish, the previous one. I saw Don take a trade. Let's take a look and see what he took. Yeah, just a closure below. On the 5-minute. Yeah, he took that there. Oh. So yeah, 4-hour time frame here. Bullish, already broken the high of the previous. What do I mean by that? Because I always say this, you know, we've broken the high of the previous 4-hour, therefore bullish structure is prevailing over here, and the bearish is starting to slow down. Hourly 30-minute time frame is nice. I mean, this is decent, you know. Clean candle here. In terms of 30-minute time frame, where would I want to take trades? So you could potentially, I mean, there was a big wick there down. You could potentially look for buys above here, because that's quite clean above. depending on the closure. Look at the 15. Yeah, the 15 is actually quite rangy in terms of wicks. You'd probably want it higher up, but that makes this zone much smaller. So I think, safer buys would be up here, right? If you get a buy above 1979, you've got clean candles up, clean candles down, clean candles up, clean candles down. So I think that's going to be the most reasonable area to take buys. Yep, beautiful stuff. So continue realistically to 1985 first, and then obviously furthermore. Okay, would I want to take buys above here? No, there's resistance there, support there. There's too much traffic. But that gap from there to there would be good. How's Ramadan, mate? I'm not participating. I think I would suffer tremendously. Nice, Tommy boy. Yeah, it's a good candle. That, wow. What time did that close? 6 o'clock. We're flying. Hopefully to get to 1969 would be good. Did you see Russia and China news? No. Max, would you take the Asian fake out if the 30 closes back in the range? Gold? Not really. I like it when gold, Asian high was with the trend, with the level. You see how we pushed down? Like it's just in this range. It needs to be like a little bit higher up. Then we break up, reject, close back, and then fall. I don't know. We'll see. Max, what about the 5-minute trend line? Looks like there's going to be no wicks anyway, but if there was one, let's take a look and see. Close above, no retest, so you couldn't have really got into that. But with the confluence of the 30 there, yeah, you could have potentially done that. Not bad. Very, very early on at 6 a.m. Right, at 6 a.m. US is getting ready for what? Wait, they're throwing the dollar away?
Yeah, so Russia and China are getting together, and Saudi Arabia wants to use yen to pay for oil, for people to pay for oil. So, yeah, but that's nowhere on the news. It's like huge news.
I swear we already knew that though.
Yeah, they were making the BRICS alliance, but now Saudi Arabia is like joined them.
Oh.
And then you also don't see no news about the friends, because there was like 9 million people on the streets. You don't see nothing about it on the news.
Interesting. So yeah, I'm looking for buys above there on Goldie. In terms of sells, yeah, it's going to be still down below 1945 to drop down to 1936. Okay. Yeah, very, very simple there, and that's pretty much it. I mean, let's take a look below. Yeah, there's a rejection wick there. Oh, I don't really like that. Could be a 5-minute trend line though for the sells. And the zone actually in the 5 is not too bad in terms of taking trades. You could potentially get it all the way down to like 1950. It'd be quite interesting. So yeah, gold sells below 1956. don't know. So 1956. Let's just do this logically, right? 1956 around this area. You got a support there. You got a support there. You got a support there. So there's just quite a lot of traffic there. It's not very clean. So yeah, that's just pretty much it. EJ, I'll take a look in a second. We'll quickly go get a little bit of coffee with 2 minutes. Like GJ's bringing some volume in as well. Starting to push. Very nice. So yeah, I mean, well done for people maybe catching them Goldie buys and the trend line and maybe the closure there. Even the 30 didn't really close above, but it's alright. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Obviously coming towards a lot of resistance here in 1968. The whole of the day it held pretty much. So has everyone seen the new Lambo? I think I like the Aventador better. China, Russia, and somewhat more trying to end petrodollar era. Oof. Yeah, I don't get where you guys see these cells on 1856 still. I think we had this conversation yesterday or the day before. I can't see it. There's too much traffic. For me, that's not clean enough. So yeah, looking good. Obviously, the daily time did close bearish on Goldie here. We are just still at these highs though. It's not really breaking any of these levels for like the proper sells, so it's still pretty bullish, right? Still pretty bullish. The new Lambo is sexy. I like it, but I think the back looks like the cyan again too much. Holy shit, 0 100 in 2.5 seconds. So that is, yeah, so the Aventador is the last V12 with no hybrid on it, so stocks are gonna go up in there, boy, if I can get an SV for investment. Yeah, and I don't really like this control panel either, big screen, it gets outdated pretty easily. This is what it sounds like. Oh, that's E mode. Okay. Oh, it sounds good. Like, it sounds like you've entered the Oh, I don't like the gear changes. I think the Aventador still sounds better. I like the little stunt that the Aventador has. Still not choppy. Yeah, it is. But does price actually become choppy at the end of the month, or is that really a thing? Yeah, sometimes does. You know, it starts to slow down. Yeah, it starts to slow down a little bit. Fucking hell, gold is on one. Coming towards those highs already. Very nice. Some volume coming in as well. GJ is, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of issues at these highs, but I do think above 163, you know, 642, that kind of area here, we're gonna get a push to, you know, 164. So yeah, this was the trade that I took yesterday. I took this by, did I take it here or there? That one there. Let's take a look. 790. Oh, it was there. Yeah, break of the high. Stop loss below. Look to the left hand side. Clean candles all the way to 163.223. That's where we closed. So that was very nice. And that pretty much put our month into plus 11% month. Also not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Why that support on GJ was in the middle of the wicks, because it's based on the 15. Yeah. So I always say, right, you can mark your zones out on the 30, but just check the 15 makes sense, and the 15 wouldn't make sense there. You know what I mean? If I did that, then you know, you just discrediting this. So for me, it's all this. It's all this zone. I'm at 12%. Very nice. So this is on the 15. Kind of clean. Yeah, I suppose so. You might be able to squeeze something out of it. Get something out of it, maybe. Yeah, I'm waiting above 1978 over here. I think it's gonna be the easiest place to take any trades. For moi. Really nice strong close there. Look at that, it's only moved 70 pips since 6 AM. It's only been an hour. Damn! $1 for the month. Do you utilize range 1 and range 2 breakouts like done depending on the daily bias or not, since you're on high time? No, I do. You know, if we've pushed down very, very heavily bearish, then I wouldn't be taking just the range 1 breakouts for buys. Like, no. I'd look for the fake outs instead. Yeah. In GJ 163750s and 4-hour resistance, buying below at that zone, it's risky or not? You tell me. 750. To be fair, 15's got a little fake out there, so it'd actually be a bit higher if it was 665. But I mean, you know, 4-hour res, yeah, it's coming towards those levels. But if you look in terms of the actual left hand side, what happened? Well, we pushed to 164, we pushed to 164, we pushed to 164. So it's got to 164 every single time. So not too asked about that, if I'm honest. Max buys with 164, very clean. Was it? Was that clean? Just range the whole day. That doesn't look too clean to me. Max, what about buy gold 1969 and go break even near 15 res? I mean, depending on the closure, right? But in terms of the zone, it's 50 pips to the high. Yeah, it's alright. I don't know. I feel you're just pushing it. I don't think I want to get involved. Even like, you know, for example, if this 30-minute closes, then your stop loss is going to be 50 pips for such a small range. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like GA is really struggling to find some direction here. EJ, I'll do a quick analysis on EJ as well. Daily time frame is bearish at the moment. It's got no top wick. Last one closed very bullish, just like GJ. 4-hour time frame is bearish. One hour, 30-minute, 15. So kind of the same thing here. Well, literally the same thing on GJ. The zone below that is 20 pips. Might be able to squeeze something out of that, but it's still, yeah, not the biggest zone. Obviously, sells below 142,585. That would be great. We literally discussed this when it was pushing. We're like, yeah, this would be great for sells later on. Yeah, 142,577. Hi. EJ. If I move this up here, buy above there might be alright because of if you had volume, because we need to push to this resistance or these resistances pretty hard. There. 300. Yeah, not too bad. But yeah, it is coming towards the end of this month. Max, do you think having a resistance at 1970 30-minute timer will be a good option to sell to retest 1958? Don't think about sells. Don't think about sells here. Right, we're bullish. The candles are closed bullish. We're coming towards resistance. That's fine. We could break it, right? So try never to predict the move. Try never to be a mystic Mac or whatever you call it. Okay, this could easily come above here, close above, push to 1974, push to 1978. So being with direction, with volume is what you need. And right now it's bullish. So don't think too much about the sells right now. Sells will happen when you get below, 1957 potentially with a trend line. But don't try and predict, oh, it's going to have resistance here because it's done it before. It's like, yeah, but zones could also break. Especially with how strong these candles are. So yeah. did you learn much about fundamentals? Fundamentals for me were pretty easy to pick up on. All you got to do is know, when they're coming out. Be careful, like, half an hour beforehand. If it's good for the US, US and currencies will go up and dollar will go down. It's pretty simple. Why wasn't the 30-minute closure above the daily flip good to fill a range for buys? Is this gold again, please? For the Lord of Jesus. This zone is a range, bro. This area, yeah, it must have clean there, but it ranged through the whole of high volume time here. So it's just in a range. Nothing there. Nothing there, boy. And even here, the 30 didn't even close above solidly. It closed really weak at these levels here, which was rejected before. So yeah. Yeah, so big volume really, really early on. Was it straight at 6 o'clock? No. Oh yeah, 6:10 started pushing. Not bad. But yeah, overall this month's been pretty good towards the end. To be fair, most of it's been pretty good. To be fair, it's been quite easy. In terms of just the zones, you're just gonna be patient. I'd have really minimized these L's from not looking at the 15 anymore and just tweaking them up. So yeah, I'll do an end of month review, obviously at the end of this week, which will be great. We'll go through the losing trades. See what we could have done better on, and yeah. Max, let's race. Oh my god. Look at these candles, man. Oh, these 30-minute candles are looking nasty on GJ. Max, how does my gold chart look like? Would love feedback. Ah, okay. Did you send it in this chat? Let's take a look. So, buys about to fill our zone. Yeah, I mean, it would have worked out beautifully. Nice work. Sells below 1958 to fill the zone. I mean, to fill a wick is a good target, yeah. It's not too bad. Because that zone's actually 35 pips or so. Not bad, yeah. I mean, cracking work. For me, I think this is maybe a little bit in the range. And also, when this 30 closed, it didn't close above. But in terms of analysis and 4-hour flips and daily flips and everything, looks good. All very clean. Very nice. I like. So, bro, how are you? I'm good, my man. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, buys above, not that confident the price moved fast, but it was consolidating. Yeah, so just need a bit more of a stronger closure than that at least. But yeah, I mean, I suppose you're right. The 30-minute time frames did move pretty quickly, and it's just when I see a range like that, I'm like, oh, is it really worth it? So very nice. Let's take a look at some more. Okay, it's Johnny Boy. Make sure to try and drag this so I can see like what's going on. It looks like you got sells below there. We discussed that to the wick. It's 39 pips to the low. That's fair. Maybe go break even at that wick. Could be an area. Buys over the level. I don't like it that much as there's a higher time frame rejection. Yeah, I agree. You know, there is higher time frame rejection there. It does push though from 163.270 to 164. I think it was. Oh no, it's higher up. What the hell was this then? 163.270. When was this chart done? Is it done now? I'm really confused. The high there is at 163.270 on your chart, and on mine it's 670. What the fuck? I'm really confused by that. Am I reading that right? 163.270. Yeah, well, that's odd. I have no idea. I'm actually check the 5-minute trend line for buys. I think we already did for the gold buys. Oh, you're looking at some more maybe? Like up here. Yeah, it should be like that. Yeah, there's a trend line for buys too. Doing great. Got gold buys and 4 rejection daily flip. Nice. Now just waiting. GJ is bruh. Yeah, GJ is whacked today, eh? GJ is chilling. So yeah, there's obviously a lot of hourly resistance there. 30-minute res, so we've got to be careful with that trend line. At the resistance. Yeah, I watched Mandalorian again. I'm getting pissed off with it, man. It's just so boring. Shit. Oh, interesting. Interesting. So, yeah, I mean, mainly here, normally, if Asian session ranges on GJ, normally the London session actually does pretty well for it. So, hopefully, we'll get that over here. Let's do a little bit of a Wordle while we wait. See if we can get that done today pretty easily. Max, do you invest your profits? Yes. I don't know why I did that, but anyway. A, D, and an E. Red. Red's gonna be it, isn't it? Easy. Bread today. How to check if there's a fake out or a breakout? It's really dependent on the higher time frames and how things are closing. But a breakout is when there's clean candles left inside with the closure above a zone. A fake out is when it closes back in a zone. So, how to know when it's a fake out or breakout? Well, you don't know. That's the whole part. But you make a judgment based on the clean candles to the left, based on the higher time frames, based on overall trend. That's what you do. That is what you can do. Make sure to subscribe and like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Yesterday, you came very close to doing the Magic Keys giveaway, but not close enough. Need 150 likes. All you need. That's all you need, brother. So looking like it's maybe having a little bit of a retracement. Did come to this pretty much resistance here in 1968, so it makes sense. Right, I'm gonna have to get rid of this stupid music. I kind of wanna. I've been playing this song in the gym. This song is sick. Shy Effects. I saw these live as well. I don't know if they played this song though. I think they did. I think it's one of the big songs from Chasing Status. UK Apache. Wait, try and do a gym session today. It's sick. Doing chest yesterday. Jungle. Come on, GG. Get your horses running. Spin it, boy. Do you have any news tomorrow? A little bit. Away. Isn't this ready? Hey, doing like a gym session is sick. Morning, Atashi, my boy. You tired, eh? Quiet day, guys. Great month. 14.25% for me. Wow. 14.25%. Amazing. Looks like everyone's doing really well for the month, which is amazing. We can go through our losing trades, and then we can run it back for April. So there we go, guys. If you guys, you guys do the maths. If you've got £1,000 account, you made 14% or whatever. Some people made 20%. That means you made maybe 200 quid, £50 for the mentorship. The rest is dollar bills. Yeah, I can't be asked. I'm just gonna get this one copyrighted. I can't be asked to listen to some shit music today. Amen. A little bit of Kendrick for Thursday morning. But yeah, it's tomorrow's the last day for the month, isn't it? Yeah, so nearly there. Quite a lot of break-evens this month as well. 7 break-evens. I think February had 7 as well. Yeah. What lot size for best for 10k? One lot. One lot, 10 pips. Yeah. Or just get magic keys and it does it for you. It's pretty simple. April should be volume month, start of Q2. Yes. Any idea of tomorrow for EJ, last day of the month, and also an important rate of EU? No idea, man. No idea. No idea. No need to guess though. You just get, when things come to levels, you can start to take some. So I mean, huge move on Goldie there. Very, very nice. Look at that 4 hour ripping up, breaking the 4 hour highs. Continue. Dailies still bullish, still holding this kind of trend line on even on the daily. Yeah, spring and summer seems to be better. Normally. Spring is the volume time. Yeah, 100%. Some good volume there. So Goldie coming up. I'm not going to take the buys here. I can't be asked. I think a retracement's probably needed after a 100 pip move. But for people who are still in it, well done. You should be okay. I think, especially if you've got in like low down there, you might be all right for the day. Could be good. Summer not so good. Yeah, spring's the best. I agree. I agree. Bitch, you kill my vibe. I haven't listened to Money Trees actually in a while. I'll do these two and then I'll take it off because the rest of it just gets blocked. Where the fuck is it out there? I've been bashing Kanye this month. You seen John Wick 4? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I will share it, but today I'm yelling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul. The body count is insane, really. I can feel the changes. I can feel a new life. I always knew life can be. I need to watch 2 and 3 before I watch 4, man. How could I paint this picture when the colorblind is ain't a picture? Even as small as I can bridge, I can feel the changes. I can feel the new people around me just wanna be famous. You can see that my city found me, then put me on stage. Can I make this in a? Let me customize it. I've seen a matte black one. The matte black one looks pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. But that's when you know you're getting old, man. I like the Aventador more. It means I'm getting old. Same like with my dad in the Countach. Want to go halves? How much is it? Drink, I got my music. I actually don't know how much it is. Right, let me make this shit matte black then. Ah, here. I don't want shiny, bro. Ah, okay, here we go. Oh look, there's the Countach interior. Oh, that's nice. I quite like just the matte black one, to be honest. It looks like a Batman car. I like how the engine's outside as well. Quite cool. Cool, wicked. Have you seen the line before I move about the creators? Any good? No, I haven't seen it actually. I haven't seen it. I would like to see it though. Yeah, actually, I wanted to see it in cinemas, but I think they took it off. Yeah, I think it looks like a bit like a hurricane. I prefer the Aventador, I'm not gonna lie. This would be great if we could find resistance here, come back down, then I'd have 3 trend line touches. Then if we break that, then I'd probably take it. Kind of sharp going down, but currently it's not that sharp. What do you mean, steep? Yeah, if it's steep, I don't like it. So this is good, this is good. It's rejecting. Is affecting the problem, but yeah, if it's too steep, it doesn't work. Like, you couldn't draw a trend line like from there to there. It's too steep. You need a nice trend. Nice gradient. Like that rappers do. 54 likes, guys. Make sure to like that up. Like that stream, boy. Yeah, it's too steep. No go, my man. So yeah, 20 minutes left for this hourly to close. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. Right, we're 2 minutes to go for a was. I'm gonna wait fully for this hourly to close over here.
to reality, we pour, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Another casualty at war, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. 2 bullets in my Uncle Tony head. My Tony head, my Tony. He said one day I'll be on tour, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. That Louisburgers never be the same. Won't be the same, won't be the same. A Louis belt that never ease that pain. Won't ease that pain, won't ease. But I'ma purchase when that day is jerking. That day is jerking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hoping all of them offend you, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. They say your hood is a pot of gold. A pot of gold. And we go crash it when nobody's home. Holly Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just fuck your main bitch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich, that's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket-headed hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket-headed hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way.
Imagine rock up in them projects where them niggas pick your pockets. Santa Claus don't miss them stockings. Liquor spilling, pistols popping, baking soda, y'all whipping. Ain't no turkey on Thanksgiving. My homeboy just domed a nigga. I just hope the Lord forgive him. Pots with cocaine residue. Every day I'm hustling. What else is a thug to do? When you got a good vibe for my dog and them. Get the fuck up out my way, bitch. Got that drum and I got them bands just like a parade, bitch. Drop that work up in the bushes. Hope them boys don't see my stash. If they do, tell the truth. This the last time you might see my ass.
So 50-minute close bullish on GJ, nothing above anything though, right? Just in this range. Consolidation. Yeah, the we did a sim yesterday. It was well good actually. I enjoyed it. Like we took like 6 trades, 5 wins, 1 break even. But like for like 15 of the days we did just range, which is yeah, towards the end of the sim we just didn't do much, which was nice. It's forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money
Trees is the perfect place for shading. That's just how I feel.
Kenny, just bring my car back, man. I called in for another appointment. I figured you weren't gonna be back here on time anyway. Look, shit. I just want to get out the house, man. This man on one.
This GJ is not doing anything today. Same with the EJ, just not having it. In between the daily flip and the 4-hour flip, it's not doing much. Did I already play this song? Oh yeah, I did. Okay, right, we'll go back to this shit music. Oh, I can't keep the stream on. Hey Max, do you map out the same support resistance areas in your terminal as you do with TradingView? Nope. I literally don't use anything on TradingView on my terminal. I literally just put the trades on. I know that they're identical to what I'm using, so I hate using MetaTrader. I think it's shit. The way you move it, the way you, it's just shocking. It's just not nice to trade with. So no, I literally only use it to execute. That's it. Lambo's okay, but nothing too special worth to watch once. Yeah, they took it out of the cinemas quite quickly, didn't they? I watched like House of Gucci. That was quite good. I enjoyed that. Actually. 72% win rate so far this year. So it's been good shit. Good shit, boy. 34% gained. So you're on like 100,000 account, you know, you'd be 34 grand in profit so far this year. It's probably someone's normally yearly wage and you've done it in 3 months. So that's great. That's very nice. What M account pending? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Max gold buy, trendline breaks. The one rule is it can't be near a res. It is near a res, so I think, you know, depending on the closure, depending on the low wick of the hourly, you might be able to take buys above if 30 closes above, but we'll wait until 30 in the hourly close here. In 10 minutes time. EJ looking good for buy above 144. Max, you ever video accounts? I don't see no reason to do it, so no, probably not. Do you not get worried about having large sums in brokers? Security seems pretty shit compared to banks. Yeah, I mean, you know, to be honest, I was thinking about that recently, and you know, may take out, you know, what's it called? May take out like, you know, 4/5 of the account and then just put a 1 to 500 leverage on, just so it's safe. Yeah, I was thinking about maybe doing that. EJ just looking good for buy with 144351 and sells below 1432. Yeah. Wait, did you say 144351? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I got some new Funko Pops. I got Darth Vader over here. He's quite heavy actually, and I also got Doc Ock. If you guys are on my Instagram, you'd have seen. Got them in Manchester over here. So now I've actually got. I've got quite a lot actually. Where's the other 3? Ready for the man cave already. That's what we're working with over here. There's 4. I was really tempted to get another 2, but I don't know if we'll carry them. They're quite large in the casings. Dong. Let's take a look. Good day, Maxi. I tried another funded trader. I was up 8%. Now I'm up 2% on the last day today. Had to take a huge risk and lost. Why did you have to take the huge risk, brother? Why did you have to take the big risk? But if not, yeah, just redo it. Yeah, if giving you a free trial, just redo it. The question is, where do we put our money if not banks? Well, you know, Bitcoin you could do, but that's not really true anyway. I'd get your money and I'd put it under your bed. I had to do 12% profit and it's last day today. See you, Yugi. See you, Lila. Max, how do I download MT4 when I do it? It's always MT5. Well, why do you need MT4? Go to. I downloaded it from IC Markets. Do you have IC Markets, Johan? If so, go on there and just log into a demo account, MT4, and then download MT4 from the website. Yeah, that's how I did it. That's why I did it. So yeah, I may leave this out because it is at resistance. La resistance. Our president keeps money under his couch. Was found with 40 million. Oh my god. Look at that, Goldie's still coming up. Wow. There is a lot of rejection there though, so I do want to be a little bit cautious. And I think the gap between there and there is maybe a little bit too small compared to the stop. I like the second position, very nice. This will be my 80th attempt. So 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. You're insured a max of 250 in banks. You can split between 2 or 3 banks and invest in other stuff, so you don't have to all liquid cash in one place. Yeah, that's true. So 4 minutes left. God, this GJ really has not moved at all. Right now, cash is king. Yeah. Well, your cash is losing loads of money though. Cash is getting guzzled by inflation. Interest rates are crazy, yeah. Inflation's crazy though, so they've got to do it. Like just a normal like shop at like the supermarket here has just increased so much. Guys, 150 likes, and then we can look at. Sorry, we can give away some magic keys. So make sure to do so.
Russia, China, Iran, Saudi export options to move away from the US dollar. We already knew that though. I knew that like 3 months ago. We should go follow the Instagram as well. I post all clips on here, so I, give you some helpful tips, some trades as well. Like today, I'm going to be posting the trade that I took in NY yesterday. So make sure to go follow the Instagram if you haven't already. I also put some good clips of what I do in the day-to-day life.
After finding my... Just came in the back from the gym.
Mate, look at them fucking arms, bro. 2 years out of gymming. 2 years out.
Arms are still big.
Meow. Look at that, boy. Take a piece of that.
Oh, look at that, boy.
There's the GJ trade that we took. Very, very nice.
Another day, another simulation.
And then we did the simulation as well. So if you joined the mentorships this week, you'd have had 2 winning trades, up like over nearly 3%. You'd have had 2 simulation sessions, access to the whole G drive, and then obviously all the live streams as well. Homework's coming on the weekend as well. Only for £12.50. Like, bruh, you do the maths, boy. That pump though, yeah. I mean, that isn't even pump, that's ages after. London incoming, yeah. So looking like goldie's not going to close above. Looks very close, but it's going to maybe. GJ's still there, EJ not really doing anything. £12.50 for the mentorship? Well, no, £12.50 a week. It's like £50 a month. Yeah. So if I was to look at maybe taking a trade, the trade here, I mean this 30-minute didn't close above, so I wouldn't have taken that one. This is the one that I'd have liked to have taken on a closure back in the zone, but there's no lower wick. So that's a bit annoying. Because it turns from zone to zone. So this is support. This is the next zone that's just filled. This is the zone that I want to come and fake out back in, close in. This is the TP1, this is TP2. But yeah, this candle here made no lower wick, so you don't really have time to get in. Okay, London's open started, already nearly breaking the high, it looks like maybe. Goldie flying. See if we can get to 1971. It's going to hit 1970. Could be a psychological level there. That's where it's rejected quite a lot of times here as well. Ooh, GJ's just looking like it's pulling down over here. 4 hour about to flip. 4 hours obviously still not really doing much, so that's fine. Okay, the sniffing getting too much. Me out. Bye. Bye. Wow, look at Goldie. My God. Goldie on X Games mode for the rest of this day. Looking like we're probably going to get here to 1978. Some nice trades that can come above there. That'll be great.
So yeah, came to them wicks, came to fill that wick up over here. Very, very bullish. Oh, nice. Very nice. So yeah, nothing much here. I gotta wait maybe some closure. I think GJ 30-minute bearish closure would be nice, depending on how far we get down. Down, down, down. But yeah, the main entry that I'd want is probably that one there. Look at these clean candles in the 30. I will also say though, you know, just be careful like when you're trying to take maybe buys like up here. It has just pushed this whole way, not one retracement, so gonna be maybe a little bit cautious of that. Waiting for some support to form would be nice to then continue back to the highs later on. That'd be good. There you go, starting to get some sort of retracement now from that push. Ooh, EJ coming down as well. Daily's still got no top wick. There's no top wick on the hourly either on EJ at the moment. 1 second. So there's the rejection. What did it do? It filled that wick. So if you did take them buys and you didn't close anything or whatever, you're done. Max, back in the day when you thought, yes, I've cracked the psychology part, did you have any slip-up days where bad habits crept back in, like revenge trading? I'd say maybe like once or twice, but after like the third trade that maybe wasn't the most thought out, then you know I'd just stop it and go. Just be disciplined with it. Oh my god. EJ's pushing down. Was there some news that just came out on EJ? It was. Spanish flash manufacturing. 3.3 actual. Forecast 3.9. Not good. There's a rejection. Why? Well, it didn't close above, right? So you got to be careful with that. Yeah, I would say, you know, it's just when you do things wrong, just really, you know, not talk to yourself, but you just go, right, what did I do wrong here? Don't do it. There's a big point that comes where like you over risk and you over trade for ages and you just lose the money and then you feel like ass for the next month because of how much money you've lost. And then, you know, you kind of just flick and you go, right, I'm not doing that shit anymore. I'm either going to take this seriously or quit. So it's kind of that thing, you know. If you don't know how to, if you don't know how to stop yourself from over risking or over trading, you will quit eventually, because life will tell you to. Either because you can't afford it, because, you know, financially you just love ya, bye. Because you can't afford it, or because your family get involved, you know, you get kind of a thing to not do it. It's just the same as gambling, right? So yeah, you've got to be cautious of that, and you've got to take it seriously. Don't go, oh, I like this trade because it looks cool, looks nice. It's like, wow, great. So does spinning a ball on roulette. You need to know exactly why you're entering and all that kind of stuff. It's literally like a switch. Yeah, man, you just switch it on. Switch that switch on. Gold onion. You could do for later on, yeah. Potentially if you make some support forming, yeah. Oh, yes. Look at the EJ sells below 143,185. 185. Don't know why 185, but fair. Looking like it's filled that little tiny zone already, so I kind of suggested it was going to do that. So you've got to wait maybe a little bit lower. 142,577. If that means I have to wait all day for this trade to come to fruition, then I will, because I know that this opportunity here is worth it. So it's just picking out, you know, them trades that are very, very high probability. You can see in my like last, you know, 10 trades, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins. Sorry, this is not 10 trades. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Past 11 trades, I've had 7 winners, 2 losses. One of them was a 0.13 loss. And 2 break even, so looking pretty good so far, which is in recent times, which is good. After we kind of stayed away from the 15-minute zones, we started to just use 30s, really tightening that up. Recently, a London Open doesn't give top wicks or bottom wicks, or is that me? Yeah, I think they haven't so much. Yeah, the trade yesterday, guys, on the NY session here. This candle closed. I was like, you don't need to make a bottom wick, you twat. You've never made one for me all day, and I've finally got a trade. So run, and it did. I was like, yes, finally, paid me. Yeah, it was really, really good work here. I had to sprint from the gym, man. I was in the gym. You should have seen me running out. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna miss GJ. I like literally launched home. Everyone in the chat was like, why is Max not talking? Bro, like, GJ's looking good. I'm like, I'm fucking running! Literally legged it from the gym. Also, the EJ buys are good, man. People are asking me to get in as well, but once I'm in one trade and I haven't even looked at the other, I kind of just left it. But yeah, the EJ trade was good too. I was in the shower, I hopped in this trade, shampoo my eyes. Man, that brings back bad memories, man, when I used to like fucking overtrade and over risk. I'd be in the shower and I have my phone in the shower, just on the 1 minute time frame in a trade. Like, oh please, please, Lord of the gods, just make this trade win when I'm in the shower. And it never did. I love that, especially like in Don's chat when like people are like fucking praying to their god that it works. It's like, oh my god, I'm happy I'm past that. Yeah, holy shit. God, that's nasty, man. Yeah, I do say, especially like with people who are new, if you guys are new to trading, like being in a group where you know you can just follow the signals and kind of just go through the things, even if you have the worst month possible, you'll be at break even, really. You know, we've never taken a losing month in my whole history of doing this. So the good thing is that you're not actually losing money, okay, if you stick with a group that can trade, and you know it's good. You're not losing any money with your education, which is amazing. Wish I did that when I was younger. But no, I had to try and do it by myself, and I just got wrecked. Yeah, because you know, if you're just learning and maybe your entries off, you'll take good trades, but you'll also take bad trades, and normally it ends up around break even, which is great. You are against Harry Maguire next Sunday. Yes. Don't stop. Lots of people praying it. Don't hit stop. That one a couple of days ago was mad. It's so close, but man, you know, put the stops there for a reason. What's up with bottom wicks these days? I took the same trade, but I quickly jumped out before the retracement. I had a group like that, then Brian decided to be a 2-2. That's well funny.
What a rejection on GJ.
Yeah, I think I saw that. Wow, look at that.
30 pips, 35.
Yeah. Damn, boy. Yeah. Max, do you see a possibility of quality trades on the break of this range on GJ? Yeah, I do. I think it's pretty clean to 164. Yep. Why is that level there in EJ? Because it's a 50-minute support. Like that. Yeah, big rejection just needs to start moving, but that could be the the low wick of the hourly, could be also the low wick of the 4 hour. So yeah, we've got 50 minutes left. We'll have a little game of chess while we wait for some setups over here. See what we can get. Because realistically, yeah, gold's rejected, that's fine. Can I expect it to reject at that level? EJ has came all the way down, rejected with news, and GJ is just fucking around, so yeah. I really want to see that Ryan Garcia fight as well. I watched the little podcast with Logan Paul with it. It's pretty good. Max, can I play against you in chess? No, because I don't know how good you are. You could be really good, and I'm trying to get up my levels over here. Can you fuck off? Yeah, I think so. You beat me there. That's why I didn't really want to do it. Anyway, great. Yeah, I'm pretty fucked now. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Hello, boss. Any videos about your markups? First time here. Have I done a video on my zones? Maybe not. Maybe I should do that at the weekend. Yeah, I'll do a little markup thing, but basically you just go from the higher time frame, go then to the lower time frames, and then mark up really on the 30 and the 15 minute, and find the areas of the cleanest zones, and that's your trades for lesser Sean. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Fuck off, man. Yeah, it's fine. Oh no. Oh no. Why can't I not do that fucking rule again? This guy's fucking me up, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you better retreat, motherfucker. Can I just kill his queen, you think? No, there's no point really, is there? I need to protect my queen. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I know that. I really want to keep my queen though. Look at that rejection. mean to do that. Oh, wait, it's alright. Oh, shit. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. The fucking button's sometimes too sensitive. Max on EJ around the 23rd. There's support around 142, 460 right under your sell below line. Would you consider that an issue? 22nd to the 23rd. 1, 3. No. It's too far away. It's fine. It's fine. Price pushes up there. Price pushes down quickly. Price pushes down quickly. Yeah, it's fine. It's most recent, you know, like in the last couple of days. I wouldn't worry about it too much. May. Got him. Got him. Mate, that was a fucking dub. What a game. He screwed up big time there. I love that like thing where you have like the queen and then it's time to trash talk and the castle. I think I've got a trapped nerve in my back, man. It's been like this for a while, but it just hurts sometimes. That was well funny. It really be rangy? Yeah, GJ is ranging. EJ pushed down with that news, and Goldie is. No, it was nice here. It's just no lower wick in the area that I probably would have wanted to get in. Yeah, because you've got in on that break of the high there. Maybe you could have at 7 o'clock. It was a closure of Asian high, I suppose, but it's okay. It's one of them ones on sim guys where I go, yeah, it's pushed, and everyone's like, oh, Max, you missed the move, but did I really miss my move? Not really. Like it's whatever. It's whatever, bro. Onion kickflip. People are already looking at onions already in gold. It's like, just relax. And it hasn't made it as high. It just came to the res, right? It's if you think of it in zones, it's just. Like that. These are the zones we're playing, and I think this zone here actually could be pretty decent, to be honest with you. Looking at it, in terms of this base, especially if that rejection, if you got a closure below it, 1958. This zone, at least to there, is quite big. Max, Maz, they never mod me in Don's channel or Wix. They're too toxic. Really? I'm sure if you asked, they would give you a... What are you toxic though? You're not toxic at all. I've come to realize that a low funded account causes its own stress. Time to wait and save and add more capital. I've come to realize that a low funded account. Do you mean a low, like your own fund account, or a low fund? I think you mean your own funds. Why does it cause its own stress? Why? Why does it cause stress? It's probably the lowest amount of money that you would do in any other aspect. I think it causes stress because it wants you to over risk. But if you just, did your trades for the month and added a little bit more money every single month that you save up from your job, then it can compound quite quickly, right? Yeah, GJ again. Look at the low time. Yeah, I mean, the 5 minutes is just... So this is what I also say, right? This looks like, oh, look, we're going to push. Like, it's good. It has been here before. And the 5 minutes are just ranging here. So just little out until it gets to the zone. I'll win a trade of £60, then trade to overtrade to make a decent return in the day, then lose it on the second trade. See, that has nothing to do with your account. That has nothing to do with any issues in terms of that. All it is just no discipline. There's just no discipline, man. Stop focusing on the money, especially at the start. Just focus on taking the right trades, right? It's like footballers, man. If you hear Pep is very, very... It's kind of the same when he speaks in his interviews. He goes, you know, like, no, Ten Hag does it as well. He goes, well, you know, we aim to win every game. That's what we do. You know, we just play the game, and if we win every game, then we're gonna win things, right? It doesn't matter. Oh, you're gonna win this trophy. He goes, I don't give a shit. All I need to do is win the next trade or win the next game. If I win every single game, I'll win things, right? It's pretty obvious. So if you get winning trades and you get a winning strategy, money's gonna come, no matter how much money you have now or how much money you have later on. If you have a strategy that works and it's profitable, has a high win rate, you know, a good R to R, money's gonna come. So it doesn't matter where you start off with, whatever. Just focus on the fucking charts. Stop checking your account. Oh, I made £52 and 3 pence. I want 100 today. Like, that's just fugazi. Just fucking focus on the charts. And I promise you, if you do that for, you know, a year of just focusing on the charts, taking the right trades with the strategy that you know works and that is profitable, you're gonna make some money from it. And as time goes on, it compounds, and that's the beauty of it, right? I saw Raja go from a 1 lot to a 2 lot, you know, in a space of like a year. Then a 2 lot to a 5 lot in the space of a year, then a 5 lot to a 10 lot in a year, and now he's doing fucking 100 lots in like a year after. So it just, you know, just focus on taking the same trade. The money will come later on. So there's a bearish closure. Is it a fake out? People in the chat tell me, is it a fake out on gold? Because someone in the chat has just said, blessed Okpuri has just said fake out on gold. Is that a fake out? No, it is not a fake out. Okay? Why is it not a fake out? This is resistance. This is support. Okay? A fake out is when you close above and close back below. Have we closed above? No. We have not closed above. We have respected resistance. Okay? We have respected resistance. It's fine. I knew it was going to do that. Most times. Why? Because it didn't close above. Okay, so... Do you trade NY for your private members? Yes. All 157 of us. Yeah, all 158 of us now. Yeah, we got a great chat as well. We talk through the day as well. Like, you know, even when we're not on live streaming, like through the gap and all that kind of stuff, we talk about trade ideas, bounce off each other, send charts in. So yeah, and I think people will preach that it's, you know, it's a good place to be. There's no negativity, there's no flexing, there's no, you know, there's people asking genuine questions, helping of psychology, you know. It's a really, really positive group, which I'm happy with. See you later, GC. See you later, GC, my man. See you later, see you later. Maybe it closed on lower time frame. Yeah, but for me, it's based really on the 30. The 15 didn't even close above either, so. Wouldn't sells still be good since it closed back in the range? No, because it didn't close back in the range. That's what I'm trying to say. So, this is the difference here, right? This is resistance, this is support. A closure back in the range looks like this. Think about what it's actually saying. This is why I've kept it that. A closure back in the range. Well, it's closing back into something, right? Back into something. What's the difference here? Okay. If I had to draw what a closure back in the range was, if it did come to fruition, it would be this. Okay, that would be a closure back in the range. But we haven't closed above this level. Yeah. Jawohl, jawohl. Not close back in the range. Back in the range means it has needed to have closed outside of it to first order to close back in. Yeah, exactly. So it's in the wording, you know. Dr. Dollar. Dr. Dollar in a trade.
Got a trend line resistance. No confirmations, it's just gonna fucking fly.
Yo, whoever didn't take profit on EJ, you're crying right now.
This might be the buys, bro. Right above that high.
Yeah, I don't think he's taking it. Do you take trades at and after NYC on gold? Yeah. Yep. On Goldie, normally the cut for JPY pairs is 2 o'clock, and we kind of looked at that through our last sim. Really, yeah, just not good enough. So, I mean, in terms of the whole simulation that I've been doing, so in the past, since December, I've backtested 2022 and nearly 2021, the whole of the months with the group, all posted in. So yeah, how long we got left? We've got yeah, we've got a little bit of while left for 2021, but then we'll have a big data set from 2 years of trades, which is nice. But yeah, we're like maybe a quarter, maybe 60%, 50%. Oh no, we haven't even done December yet. So yeah, we're about 40% done. Already 91.82% gain in 2021. 82% win rate. All really based on the 30, apart from, gold 15s. And that's not even putting in EJ as well, so we can add EJ after, okay? Dom. Just got funded, going to be joining private soon. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, how many people are funded or on the way to funded in the chat? I know some people have passed recently. It's been quite a lot. Quiet day, guys. Great month. 14.5, 20%, 12%. So many people are making some great profits this month, which is good. Whilst also learning at the same time. What's your thoughts on Trader's Domain issue? Do you reckon we'll see the re-emerge of Uncle Ted? I'm not going to say anything because I don't know, and I don't know what's going on. So, but if he's done that kind of stuff, it's a bit shady. I'm not gonna lie, but I can't say anything because it may not be his fault. I don't know. Pop until past phase 1. Nice. I'd be at 50% if I didn't gamble. I'll take my 10. What did you gamble on? What was the 5% from? Do. 2.5% up started this week. Nice. Not bad, not bad. Are you waiting for 5 or 30 to close on GJ? I'm waiting for it to close all the way above 686. This is a shit range. I've got resistance right there. I've got bad price action. I've got support right there. I've got resistance there potentially. I don't like GJ here. Also, you look at the hourly time frame, hourly res, 4 hour res. It's not nice. Obviously, the daily's bullish, so that's a good thing. But I'm not playing in that zone. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no, no, no. Do 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 do. $85 likes, guys. Amazing work today. No trades taken. How many trades have we? So how many trades have we taken then through London? Let's go through this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, and how many wins? 1 win, 2 win. Loss. 1 break even. 3 win. 4 win. 5 win. Break even. Yeah, there's a lot of break evens this month, eh? 6, 7. So out of 10 trades taken, 7 wins. Looks like 2 losses, 1 break even. I have 1 loss, 1 break even. Yeah, it's 1 loss, 1 break even. Very nice. 2% for this week. Good stuff, good stuff. Where can we find the sheet? It's on one of the links here. It's called... I'll just post it. But Nightbot talks about it every so often. So you can make a copy of it. You should be able to. Some people said they had problems yesterday, but you should be really able to. So considering, 7 break even, that's a lot for a month. Normally they're around about 3 or 4. 7's quite a lot. So it means that there's a lot of trades that went into profit and went into maybe 50% of the profit and then went back to break even. So you actually, boy, we were buying this bitch with a 50-minute closure above on gold. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it, bro. I think I want to higher up. We've already moved a lot. We've rejected this level. Yes, it's coming up. The hourly didn't even close above. So yeah, I don't know. I've been demo trading the past 6 months, been profitable. Mostly taking my own trades, left working at Amazon, but saved up a couple of quid to sustain me while I'm full time. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's already filled up. This zone is my only issue. I like the first drive to the wick, which it did there, and now it could mess around over here. I don't know. For me here, I know that I'm going to get a nice trade above 78, and I'd rather wait for that. Same thing with GJ. If GJ gets below, 162, 119, or maybe 162, 900, if you get a nice closure, I'm going to get some good trades there. I only need 1 or 2 trades in the day really to get on, so I'd rather wait for the proper setups. But we'll see how that closes. See if we can make a lower wick and stuff. What's Black Ted trade setup? It's the 5-minute trend line. And that rejection's quite savage. Yeah, you know what I mean? It was quite a big rejection. At a level that's done it before and at previous support. It's not something that I'd look for really. Dr. Dollar over here is gonna get it out.
And all of these sellers that push price down, bro.
Look, see, look, he's got 152 likes. 152 likes. You guys. I'm gonna slap you on the wrist.
And then I might go full positions once we start to break those highs, bro.
Full positions on GJ? So yeah, I mean, for me here, it's It's our res here. If you just draw it like this, you'll see pretty easily. You shouldn't be taking buys up there, really. I think the buys are going to come 665. That's going to be the best opportunity for us. What's your Twitter account? Don't have one. I think Twitter's shit. Yeah, I've never really liked Twitter. My dad loves it. He says he likes getting like the information like instantly, which is fair. Like, I kind of get that, but it's probably the only reason why I'd use it, isn't it? Like, it's the instant. He plays mind games, like if you give $200 giveaway if you get a certain amount. Ah, okay, fair. I get ya. Yeah, this price action's awful. So just remember that in terms of GJ, you know, if the price action's bad, if the zone's at resistance, then it's best to probably leave it. If you took that trade, you know, 100 times, you're not gonna make any money from it. You'll be losing. 15 closed bullish, 5 minutes still respecting that resistance. 50-minute closed here, didn't even close strongly above, so I'm not looking at that, but good luck to people that are looking for it. What's EJ doing? EJ's still ranging. So yeah, I think the big move was here. Where would I have wanted to take this trade? I think I've discussed this just before, but I'll just show you like what actually trade it would be. So this is the main level of support. I mean, there's one there as well, so I need to be cautious in that little area. So probably a closure with all of that. And what trade would this be? Well, look over here. It'd be a closure back in the range. It'd be a fake out from the downside. So it looks like this. Can you see? So price is in this area. Price comes down, closes below. This is this bit here. Fakes out, closes back above. Wait for the low wick, especially the low wicks here. They normally make quite nice low wicks on supports. Reflip. Take the buy. Stop loss below. Continue. But yeah, as I said, there's no low wick, which sucks. It fucking sucks, bro. So top wick flip, hitting the resistance. Yeah, it's not looking good. GJ here. EJ fake out. If the zone was nice and the price action was good and we had a lot of volume, great. But this is not doing nothing, boy. You don't use a setup much, right? No, not really. Only for sell. They seem to be a little bit choppier. That's my only issue with them. Yeah. They seem to work a little bit choppier, I'd say. I'd see. Like, sells will just go, whereas the buyers can mess around, they can make big wicks. You can't really manage that well. Yeah. If they're with your bias, yeah. So let's take a look at the lower time frames. I mean, yeah. So if you look here, what confidence did you have of the buys as well? Well, if you look at the daily time frame, yeah. So daily had daily support that reacted off. Can you see here? Reacted off 1956. 4-hour time frame reacted off the previous resistance, rejected, close weak bearish. So break the high there would be good. That's literally where you'd have got in. Hourly time frame, 30 minutes. So it has more confidence to it, 100%. You just got to put them together, you know. And for me, I'm not putting that shit together at fucking 6 a.m. Was it even 6 a.m.? It was probably 5:30 where you should look at it. Yeah, maybe 6 o'clock. Go on, Goldie. GJ, do it for Dr. Dollar over here. Be 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Dr. Dollar versus Daniel Savage, who's winning the fight? Wait, are they beefing? Ah, the Miami boys are turning on each other. I wonder why. You're stealing my customers, bro. I want the new Rolly. You can't have it. You can scam them. Oh god. Oh dearie me. Yeah, I see Goldie's kind of rejecting here. 15 rejected. You're looking for buys above this range on GJ. Buys with 163 at 665. Yep. Not above that range. This range is bad. Why? Just point where resistances are. Resistance, 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 support, resistance, resistance. There's lots. Okay, makes them zones significantly smaller. So what you do then is you look to the left hand side here. And you look at where I want to take buys on the 15. Well, we have a resistance there. That's already in 15 pips profit. The rest is clean. If you look at the 30 minutes, same story. Push up clean, 35 pips. Push down clean, 35 pips. So that's the zone that I'd want to take them. If you go to the stream, it looks like Max is... Wait, if you just go to the stream, it looks like Max is just sleeping. Wait, what? What? Oh my god, it's breaking up. Go on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Get up, boy. Get up to 163,680. That'd be beautiful for me. That'd be beautiful. I have a res at 163,800. There's a little bit of traffic there, but it's 13 pips in profit anyway. So it's not bad. It's not bad. Looking like Goldie rejecting here, but is to be expected, okay? That's how it does it, boy. Look at these 3-minute candles on GJ. Oh, nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Do you trade pre-London Max? Yes. This is, well, it was pre-London before. I started the stream at like 6:30. Yeah, yeah. As I say though, it is the end of the month. Well, very, very shortly. So that does make a difference in terms of volume and stuff like that. Things do start to rest a little bit. That's why we're not seeing too much of a move yet. And yeah, my zones are just a little bit higher up than what price is right now, so just wait. Same thing that Don does, same thing that everyone does, just sit and relax and wait for your zones to break. Push GJ, 5 minutes left for the hourly to close above. Big rejection. Roger is my mentor in trolling. Been journaling trades on Sync next level. Very easy platform. Sync? Ah. What is that? Sync. Cloud storage. Was it? Cloud storages. First 5 minute close bullish. This level. These 1 minute time frames are getting weaker and weaker. I closed that onion earlier when it took the 50-minute high and closed bullish. What onion? Oh, this one? Yeah. It was already at the high when it closed bullish. That's the only issue. An onion play, you want price to make a high, continue back down, make some support, and then to get back to the highs, 80% chance. This one here is not really an onion because it's already at the high. This is just to continue to break further, which it didn't close above. So onion just to support forming, yeah. Just another word for it. Now it could be a fake on the 50-minute on gold. Well, it didn't really close above, right? 15 zone, and it closed a little bit above, but it's still nothing, man. It's just ranging, just in a range. Just in unrange. Looking like we're starting to get some volume in though here, which is at 9 o'clock, which is good. Which is very, very nice. Was Uncle Ted a scam? I do not know. Maybe at 9:30 we could get a closure here. Would love these buys, yeah. That would be great. Oh, look at my volumes coming in now. Yes! Finally! Starting to kick in. Goldie as well. Starting to reject. We looking good. We looking good, boy. GJ coming, yeah. I don't know why they don't trade with their live account on YouTube. Yeah, because they don't want to. And you don't have to watch either. But you still do. So minute left for this 30 to close. Very nice. $665 could be a 9:30 closure, maybe later on as well. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. How do you know if the music is copyright? You kind of figure it out, but this is no copyright. Actually, to be fair, this bit is. Yeah, there's copyrighted song in there, so I get told off for that, but this is alright. After 1 o'clock, after the first hour, then it's fine. Yeah, it's well funny. Do you have a spreadsheet for the paid signals? This is it. What was the same one? All the same one. No low wick again. Pushing up, good stuff. So yeah, maybe at 9:30, potentially a closure above there. Could be realistic. Or you could wait for some support forming later on. All that kind of stuff. Another bearish closure on Goldie. 4 hours maybe retracing after that, hitting the 4 hour wick, after hitting the 1 hour resistance. Not bad at all. Oh. Will you enter if no wick forms? Depends on the previous candle if it makes a nice rejection wick. Yeah. That's what it depends on. How does daily look like? Yeah, so yeah, I mean, you know, sells below that daily support would be quite interesting if you get there, 1955. But apart from that, I think we're probably done over here. The only thing that you gotta wait for potentially is this GJ buy above. It would mean though that in the past hour, it's moved, you know, over 70 pips with no real retracement. So you may have to wait for some sort of support forming later on. It's gone blast. Blast them. Daily time frames flipped bullish. Look at this bullish volume, man. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. To be fair, I mean, even that closure there, 524, wasn't too bad, because what you do there is you could go to the 30-minute time frame. How big were your stops in the previous? 16 pips, 15 pip gain. Maybe I squeezed a 1 and 1 out. Maybe. But yeah, I think I'm done for today, guys. I think I'm done. I'm gonna wait until my session. It rained for so long now, it has direction. I think next 30. Yeah. It's true. It's true. Right, screw it. I'll wait another 15 minutes, see how it closes. If you start getting some bearish, then I might wait until later on. But this 30 could close above, I suppose. We'll wait for that. I'm not going gym today, I'm going to the spa, so I suppose I don't need to rush off. Looking like maybe some support forming on Goldie could happen here as well. So yeah, waiting for a closure in 25 minutes. Gonna play a game of chess while we wait for that. So I can burn through that time. That would be a great success. How's the flower look on gold? Yeah, it's got a big resistance there. So yeah, we'll we'll get this closure in 24 minutes potentially. Oh, fuck off, man. That I need to avoid. It's very fucking annoying. I'll do this, but yeah, it's annoying. Always puts you in a difficult position with the fucking queen. You black me off, boy. Looking like a bit of rejection now. EJ News in 10. Yes, sir. I love that move. No. What can I do here to defend it? Nothing much, really, is it? Yeah, I suppose just getting them out. What the fuck does tentative mean? I think it just means anytime. Like, it's tentative, just anytime, I think. I think that's the word. Tentative. My guy resigned, bro. My guy was like, "Oh, you got me there." Max, play me. No. I'm only playing people my level. Because that'll be boring. They'll be barring, bro. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Ah, you can't. No, I can't go there. Don't be silly. Why are you acting like I'm a grandmaster? But you might not be my level though, so there's no point. I'll just well, they're gonna bring that up as well. Fuck's sake. Did you just kill my queen? Oh my fucking god! No. Great. Well, this is gonna be a hard game. Looking like GJ's rejecting a little bit here. Yeah, I'd probably wait. I'd probably want to wait later on. Why can't I move that? Am I in check? What? Oh, I am in check. Okay. Oh yeah, I can just move this piece, can't I? This game is very quick. He's got me by the balls. Yeah, he's fucked me, hasn't he, really? I didn't mean to do that. He's fucked me good. Right, I'm leaving this. I'm not going to get done like that on camera. Gold buys after 30 minutes support form. It's reflipped, man. I think it's holding this resistance. Looking like GJ as well. May have a little bit of juice in it. We'll have to see. 50 minutes time. Look like EJ's pushing up as well. So yeah, looking like maybe some more juice potentially. flying. 50-minute close bullish. Wow, look at this. Looking like it's going to fill that zone. Why is he looking for gold buys on Twitter? Yeah, it's not happening yet. It's not happening. Just respecting that resistance, that's all. Now, GJ gonna close. Looking like it's already kind of gonna push the zone, I think. That's a nice closure. If that was a 30-minute closure, I would be in there. I think it's long gone now, to be honest. Bye, GJ. So I'm gonna leave it off over here, guys. I'm gonna wait until NY session potentially to take some more trades. But yeah, I think in terms of my zones and all that kind of stuff was beautiful. I did like the gold buys here. Only issue is there's no low wick there. GJ, rangy. Hate trading areas with range. There's so many areas you can get rejected here. Price miraculously found some volume. The only place to have taken that trade is if you wanted to impulse it and hope it continued, really. There was no real level. Apart from obviously being bullish and holding a level in Asian session again. So this is another one of, you know, like 10 pips kind of levels where it just holds a support through Asian and then just continues here. Not bad. But apart from that, nothing much for me at the moment. So we'll wait on until later on, okay? Thank you so much for coming on, guys. Peace out. We'll see you guys later.
See you later.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
See you later, Michael, my man. See you later, brother. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.